Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to back up Telegram chat. Telegram updated their application, so before it is much harder to back up your chats on Telegram, but now since they updated their application, I'll show you the updated way to back up your Telegram chats. So first, open your Telegram. And then choose the chat that you would like to back up. So in my case, let's maybe choose this one here. And then what you need to do is to long press the said message. And then tap on select. If it's a photo, it will say select this amount of items and whatnot. So I'll select all 7 items and select this one here. And then once you've selected the chats that you would like to back up, on the lower right part of your screen, tap on the arrow pointing right. And then tap on saved messages. So messages were forwarded to saved messages. That means your chat with this specific person will be back up to saved messages on Telegram. And that's how to back up Telegram messages. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.